All right, we've got the RTMMFG high intensity propane torch head. We're going to take this outside in just a second and put this to use, but I just want to give you the unboxing experience first. So this is a high quality torch head. It's made from robust die cast torch body and brass, and it's got a very easy on off switch function. But here's the piece, and the temperature is very high and got a nice blue flame going. It's suitable for icing, welding, brazing, soldering, grilling, stripping paint, etc. Here it is. Amazing. Let's put it to use. We've got the device. You want a propane cylinder. Basically, you're just going to come down here. You're just going to screw it on like so. And I got it. It's switched off right now in multiple ways. So the first way, so this is off. You can't press it. When it's in the off section, you can't press it. So you turn it on. Even when you press it, it doesn't work because the other button's off. So I'm going to go outside. When I do this, I'm going to turn this. That's going to turn it on, open up the flame, and then I'll turn the other button on. So let's do it. All right. So I'm going to twist this. So now it's ready for that flame. I'm going to twist that, and I just press. We're good to go. So as you can see, it's amazing, and I can make that stronger or softer, depending on how much I twist this.
What's the range? Can you do it while you're doing it?
Yeah, you could actually.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah, so you can make it smaller.
Very useful.
Or bigger. And you shut it off. Shut it off easily. Good to go. Gets the job done. Amazing. Highly recommend.